What's going on, lads? In today's video we're going to be fitting two different things. So guys, the first thing we're going to be fitting is the Maxton Design spoiler extension, and also we're going to be fitting my new registration number plate. So I bought a new reg, also going to be getting the new style number plates. These are currently gel, which is sick, and I didn't want to get rid of gel, so the ones I've got coming are 4D perspex with gel over the top, so they're like a hybrid and they look sick. They're also going to be much shorter too, because I'm only having 5 digits for my new number plate. Right, so firstly, the Maxton Design spoiler extension kit includes, I've gone for gloss black, of course, obviously the spoiler itself, and it also includes a degreasing cloth and a sticker and a fitting guide. The back of the spoiler has got this adhesive pad. You peel off the red tape and then it just literally sticks straight onto the back of my spoiler. So here's the little pouch that comes in the pack. Got a sticker, degreasing wipe and fitting guide, but we don't need that. Right guys, so before I wipe down the spoiler, I'm going to find the centre line of where to put it. The new design, I've seen videos on YouTube of people fitting these and they didn't have the Maxton badge on the back, but it's actually quite handy. I know where the centre point is. So what I'm going to do with a tape measure my rear braking light, find the halfway point, put a tiny bit of tape there so I know where it is, and then line the badge up accordingly. £30cm, 15. Halfway point for future reference for use, 15cm. It's always worth double checking it as well, guys. You don't want to stick it down and notice your measurements are wrong. Okay guys, a weird one. Just made a little discovery. I said the badge obviously is going to be the reference point for the halfway point. It's not at all. The distance here from where it drops down flat is shorter than it is this side, so do not go by what I just said. That is not the halfway point. That's really annoying. So guys, what I'm going to do, measure where it drops down here flat to the same side here and find the halfway point. So it's probably somewhere around here. Right, an update on the measurements. From where it dips down here to where it dips down here is 30cm, which obviously makes sense. This cutaway is fit for the distance of your rear brake light to suit. Right guys, I'm now going to use the degreasing wipe the panel and then peel the adhesive back off the spoiler and stick it on. Car was clean today anyway, so it shouldn't have a lot of crap on it. Jesus Christ, got no nails. Satisfying. Right, line this up properly. This is going to be really sticky, so you don't want to mess it up. Right guys, make sure the adhesive is properly stuck flush with the actual bodywork. You don't want it peeling off or anything, getting water under it or dust, because then it won't stick. Proper sticky stuff. Right, now for the satisfying bit. And that is it guys, really easy to do. It looks so much nicer as well. A lot of people stick the RS spoiler on the STs and I just don't think it suits it, because obviously the ST doesn't have the flared arches like the RS. It doesn't fit in my opinion, but something like this, something really simple, adds a little bit of aggression. Looks really good. Right guys, the next thing we're going to be installing in this video is my number plates. They're not actually here yet today, but the next clips you'll see will be me installing in about a week's time. Yes. Right guys, so my custom number plates from platefather.com have arrived. These are going to be 14.5 inch, which is a 5-digit maximum plate. And the design is going to be 4D gel, which is a hybrid number plate. I've never seen one in person, so I'm really excited to open these up. Right, let's open these up. Oh, they do come with adhesive sticky pads. I wasn't too sure if they would come with any, so I bought some myself. So for future reference, if you're going to buy off platefather.com, it will come with adhesive sticky pads. Cool, so you get 8 adhesive sticky pads. They actually look so good. So nice. So for those of you wondering, D5 is my birthday, December 5th, and my name is Bailey Harris Lynn Scott. Nice. Right guys, it's worth me pointing out, these number plates are completely road legal. It will pass MOT. In the UK, for a number plate to be legal, your digits must be a correct size, there must be the correct spacing in between your digits, and it must contain the 11-digit code at the bottom of the number plate. Gotta say, the quality of these is absolutely amazing. I'm not sure if any of you have seen 4D number plates before. It's basically where the letters quite literally come out and they're flat and sharp edges. My current number plates are gel, so these are the 4D gel, 4D with gel over the top, so they're proper like bulbous. Right guys, we're about to fit the plates. My rear plate, what I'm gonna have to do is put some electrical tape on the bodywork of the car to make sure it's symmetrical, make sure it's in the center, sorry. And on the front plate, I'm gonna be mounting this under the passenger side headlight. So there's obviously gonna be a bit of curve in the plate when it's on the body of the car. So I'm gonna make sure there's quite a few pads on the back just to make sure it stays in the position I'm gonna put it. Right, I've put loads on for the front. Hopefully this doesn't go anywhere. Probably can't hear me very well, but that's the number plate sorted. Guys, these actually look so good. If you're thinking about getting a different reg or just upgrading the plates you've currently got, I really suggest Platefather. Looks so good. Right guys, so I'm going to end the video there. It's about to piss it down really bad, so I need to put my stuff away. But I can't go over how good that looks. Actually so happy with how they look. Like I said earlier on in the video, I'll put the links to platefather.com in the description. And I'll see you guys next week for next week's video. So I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next week. Peace.